Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WordPress.com affiliate blog setup assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with downloading WordPress.com affiliate blog setup assets, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in WordPress.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin creating your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, username, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to secure your account. After filling out the form, click on the Create Your Account button. Next, you will be guided through a series of steps to set up your blog. Choose a domain name that resonates with your blog's niche or topic. Once you have selected your domain, you may be prompted to choose a plan. For beginners, starting with the free plan can be a good option to start experimenting. Review the plan options and select the one that suits your needs. Following this, you may be redirected to your blogging dashboard. From here, go to the Site section in the left-hand sidebar. Then, click on Settings to access various configuration options. Under General, you can customize settings like your site title and tagline. Next, navigate to the Themes section to select a design for your blog. WordPress.com offers a variety of free and premium themes to choose from. Once you find a theme you like, click on it to see a preview. If satisfied, click on the Activate button to apply the theme to your blog. Now, it's time to set up your affiliate links. Visit the affiliate programs you want to join and sign up if you haven't already. Once approved, gather your unique affiliate links from those programs. Back in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Posts and then click on Add New. Here, you can create a blog post around a topic related to your affiliate products. Within the editor, paste your affiliate links where appropriate. Enhance your post with images, headings, and other formatting to make it engaging. After finalizing your post, click the Publish button to make it live. To download any assets such as images or graphics, head to a reliable stock image website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.